What was that? Maybe he can elaborate on the finger pointing there. What's up, homie?
Are you that famous guy?
I'm not famous.
You're that famous guy, man.
I'm not famous though, man.
Good to see you though, man.
Thanks for watching, buddy.
Sick thing, man.
Oh, why are you leaving your lane, then, man? Oh, my vehicle's too big. That's why I did it. I'm documenting. It's just a normal thing. It's probably out of date and like most of it's turned to fucking cheese. And he's like trying to get rid of the floaty bits, the floaty chunks. Fucking idiot. In front of the police. Doesn't give a rat's furry little fucking arse. Where are they coming from? Ooh. Oh, they're bombing it this way, okay. I'm gonna pull over. What it might possibly be for me. Knowing my fucking luck, I get pulled over by police. And then, oh, your number plate isn't compliant with regulation 2467. And I've been riding all day and I've almost been killed. Like, people have almost killed me at least 3 times. Oh, but regulation 24, I'm absolutely no danger to anyone. But regulation 2467. Like that fucking bus back there. What I'm saying is I want police to work on crime, you know? Not be fucking bureaucrats. Oh, for fuck's sake. What is this shit? Hello, there's no getting through that way then, is there?
Unfortunately not on road.
Okay, alright.
Your best bet is to turn around.
Yeah, I'll go towards Marble Arch. I'm going to go to Marble Arch. Is that alright?
Trying to get to Marble Arch should be alright.
Alright,
Yeah.
cheers, thank you.
Up there and they've moved here. So
Righto.
I think they're all the way from there now.
Thank you, sir. So remember, guys, what I'm trying to get at with this video is you miss 100% of the shots you don't take in life. I'm joking, the video had fuck all to do with that.
Chrome heart pumping, fossils round my veins.